Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me a wrench yesterday and asked me to make a contour of 1/16 of an inch, and we did that. And now they want a grid. Now it makes a little more sense. They want like a grid work inside that. They're making a tool. Basically, they're making a mold for I guess, a reverse mold, and then the guy's going to make it in clay and actually pour steel into it and make a wrench. And first of all, the person I'm doing it for, the nameplate, if you contour a 1/16 of an inch, the nameplate's going to be in the way, and you would need to add the nameplate to do what I'm doing now. So and I'm also thinking these inner side holes need to be contoured on the outside where the wrench needs to be inside, so there's like a lip around that certain size nut. So they're not grouped together, so I'm going to move them out of the way. I'm going to grab my wrench. I'm going to contour to the inside 1/16 of an inch. Yesterday we just typed in 1/16 and we get 0.65. I'm going to go up to range, break contour apart. I'm going to grab the inner one. Whoop. Every once in a while you'll hit it and it'll nudge up or down. Now these, we need to contour to the outside. Go to range, break contour apart, grab the outside. And I'm going to nudge it over. Same thing here. Go to range, or Control K basically. So now we have the contour of the wrench. We can delete, well, we can put those back. Now I made a grid work. It makes a little more sense. They want, and I've already done one. And you see how it works. And this is, you could maybe trace that, but you could draw it in 10 seconds. And all I did was take 45-degree lines and duplicate them down 1/4 of an inch. They are grouped together. And for some reason, this got nudged over. That ought to be right in the center. But just for the video, that's good, because she's gonna, or they're gonna do it. So the best thing I would like to do would be to move this on top of the wrench, select them both, and use back minus front or front minus back. But it gets some weird lines for some reason. I do not know why. Now you could use this and you could just, wow, there's something going on with this drawing. So we're going to power clip. I don't normally like power clipping. Some people have trouble with it. But I'm going to go arrange, power clip, place inside frame. And there you have, it's going to be, well, see, it actually took over the inside. So what we need to do is make a well of that. And let's move it over pretty far. Let's move this drawing over. And what the well is going to do is going to stop that from putting on the inside. Now, never move your wrench, because you won't be able to get it back and kind of place it where you want it. Well, we don't have to do that. We're going to power clip it. Go up to range, power clip, place inside frame. You got it. Nudge it over back to the, well, you know what? We do want, no, we do want to power clip it right back. There you have it. It's a grip type, design, 1/16 of an inch off the edges. So your grip will be, this is actually the cut line. And so what you need to do also, you need to turn that line into something that's not a hairline so it won't cut out. I'm going to say maybe make no line, if that's the effect you want, or take it and make something just, I don't know her files in millimeters. I'm going to turn it black just so we know. You know what, or you could make it the same thickness as the grid. Let's do that. I made it 0.5. That will work. Now, same thing with that problem. You're going to have to treat this name tag like you did the other ones. So you need to make the name tag a little bit smaller, because the 1/16 of an inch is going to run into that, and then by the time you do this one on the outside, it's a pretty cool idea. And that right there is off. So start over when you do that on your new wrench. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.